Hi, it's Wayne from Undone. So I'm just going to talk to you today about the ScanGrip Line Light C+R, which basically means cable or rechargeable. So this light is pretty cool. Oh, I'm just trying to set something up here. Hold on a minute, sorry. Right, just so I can see. This light is pretty cool. It's got a range of LEDs along here. So you've got quite a bright, and you've also got an LED torch on the end. So that gives you a bit of a spot. You have a look, and all you do is you turn this the other way, and then you've got the light. So it's, like I said, it's rechargeable. It comes with an 8-hour charge. It's waterproof. The kit comes with the light, a 5-meter cable. So if you run out of charge, you can always plug it in, which is great. And it comes with a little hook clamp that rotates right around 360 degrees. This also spins right around 360 degrees, so you can have it mounted on there and spin it right round, or adjust it. You can hang it out as you wish. Another good thing about this little bracket is it's got a magnet in it, so you can actually put it on a bonnet if you wanted like that, and you haven't got anywhere to hook it. So that's a good little bit to come with it. It's pretty complete, but they have 2 other options you can add to it. So this is what I've got. It's a flexi neck clamp. It's a magnetic base, and you probably saw me, might have up, well, it will be up shortly. There's a video of me doing a leather repair inside a C6, and I used this to add some light because it was fairly dark. And all I did was I had that on there, just spun it around, switched it on, magnetic. Then when I came to spraying, I had it mounted on the roof. But I was thinking about this, and as useful as this is, and it was brilliant on the job that I did yesterday, they also do one with a suction base, and that probably would have been a lot more useful for me because I could have mounted it on the glass of the sunroof, and that would have shone down, given me really good light, or on the windscreen, or on a window in the car. So I'm going to add that to my arsenal. These are just under 30 quid, and the suction base is less than that. The whole light itself, with the cable and obviously the rotation mount with the hook, it's just under 100 quid. So it's a ScanGrip light. It's called the Line Light C+R. You need to go for C+R because if you go for just the R, just the C, that's cable. It's not rechargeable, but this is the rechargeable one. Like all ScanGrip tools, well made, good quality. You won't go wrong with it, really. You know, you might spend a little bit more than another copy on the market, but ScanGrip, you know what you're getting. You've got the support and you've got quality. So definitely, if you're looking for a light, you're doing interior repairs like I do, or you're trying to get into underneath the wheel arch for a smart repair, you want to find something, a little nut, it's worth considering. It's pretty cool too. It's, yeah, don't take it home because your kids will love it and you'll not see it back again. So check that out, go on the ScanGrip site. You can buy it pretty much anywhere, I would have thought. I know Morelli's are selling them, and Basic Welding Services, so you've got lots of options. Right, good one to consider. Thank you.